Hello everyone, this is Ryan. I'd like to tell you about another feature of the CheckiO editor that you will encounter. The TryIt panel shows up in a few missions throughout CheckiO and allows you to interact with your code through a visual interface. As you can see, I have the ATM mission loaded. If you remember, this task requires us to write a function that will allow Sophia to withdraw money from the ATM. As you can see, we have a balance on the left of $120. Let's try to withdraw some money. Okay, so you can see that the balance is changing, but it's going to zero, which is not correct. This is because of the way the code is currently written. To the left, you can see how the TryIt panel is interacting with your code. Now I'm going to try a bit of code here and see what happens. You can see that the TryIt panel is reacting to the changes I made in the code instantly. Before the change, it kept giving me a balance of 0, and now the new code is updating the balance properly. When I withdraw $10, the balance changes to 110. Let's run this code. It looks like the code failed. While it affected the TryIt panel, it did not meet the mission requirements. If I check why the code failed, I can see that I had an initial balance of 120, and the system thinks that after a withdrawal of $10, $20, and $30, we should get 57, but instead we get 60. Here's how the balance changes after each withdrawal. It looks like I forgot about the banking fee. Okay, I'm going to try and write the code that takes this into consideration. Of course, I'm not going to show you what that code looks like because it would make things too easy on you. So again, you can see here that the TryIt panel is immediately affected by the new code. Now let's run and check. Awesome, I have succeeded. The ATM mission isn't the only time you'll encounter the TryIt panel. It crops up in several different forms throughout multiple missions, such as the bullet in the wall mission, where you must determine if a bullet's trajectory will hit the wall. You will try to determine if a password is strong enough in the house password mission. You get to decrypt a password in the cipher map mission. In my personal favorite, the Puzzle 8 mission, you get to solve the classic Puzzle 8. And many, many more. Well, that's everything you need to know for now. I'll see you on CheckiO.